Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Seasoned Beauties. Our video on today, we will be unboxing our ice cream beauty box for the month of January. This is the first one of the new year of 2025. For those of you who are not familiar with it, I will leave all the details down below so that you can check it out for yourself. And based on what you see today, hopefully you'll decide this is something I need to check out. All right, so when we open it up, well, it keeps our stuff safe. It's filled with these styrofoam peanuts. However, I think these are the ones that are biodegradable. So one of the main things that I like about this is they still have a description card, and it says January, so it begins. This is very true. So it begins. And the difference with this box, everything in it is full size, and it is a 99.999% makeup only. Okay. Okay, let's get into the contents of this box. So the first item that we have is by CHARMACY. And this one says it's now CHARMACY Global. And oh, first of all, can we take a moment and appreciate the outer packaging? But nonetheless, we have featured a lot of duochromes and multi-chromes in the past, but none quite like this one. This multi-chrome shifts to several shades and is made from rare premium high-grade pigments. It is pricey for a shadow. We get it, but we definitely wanted to give you the chance to try it and see what all the hype is about. Now, if this item is anything like the packaging, this is going to be amazing. So let's see what the information on here says. This one is a cruelty-free product, and it's a 1.4 gram size. All right, so of course, outer packaging. Oh my, oh, this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. Okay, so this is what the inside packaging looks like. All right, absolutely gorgeous. This is what the shadow looks like. That is beautiful. The shifts and the color change is amazing. Can you see that? I am excited to try this one. Now, in addition to it being a cruelty-free product, I really don't know what else to say after that. Oh my God, this is gorgeous. All right, except to let you know that another good thing about this, it has a 24-month shelf life, and the manufacturer suggested retail price with this beauty is $25. Ooh, I'm almost tempted to swatch it now, but y'all know we swatch at the end, so we just do what we do. The next item that we have is by MEDUSA Makeup. And this is what the outer packaging looks like on this one. And it says, are you ready to try the perfect mauve pink lipstick? This shade will go with just about any eye look, which is perfect for when you are working with shifty multi-chrome shadows. This one is called Sugar Daddy. So it says it is a cruelty-free and vegan product, and I'm not seeing the size, but of course the outer packaging. This is the inside packaging, but this is what the shade looks like. Now, first of all, I don't see this as a mauve pink. I'm hoping that it comes across that way on the camera. It's beautiful. To me, it kind of gives you that perfect nude look. You know, I really want to do this. So just give me some time. That may be the case at the end. Now, the other thing is this one has a 12-month shelf life, and the manufacturer suggested retail price for it is $14. I am very ready to swatch this because it really does not look like a mauve pink to me. I just broke my own rule. Oh, that's beautiful. What do you think? It feels very nice going on. Very nice. The next item that we have is, see, this is why I told you 99.9% of the time it is a cosmetic product only. But this is the next item that we have, and this is by Cream de la Cube, and this one is indeed a lip cream. It says, last month we featured this brand for the very first time and we received incredible feedback. We decided to give you another try of this brand, but this time we are featuring a hydrating lip cream. This is great to use in the winter months when your lips may be more dry than usual. It's also really great to use under matte lipsticks. In addition to hydrating your lips, this formulation is meant to help combat lip wrinkles. Oh, I'm here for that. Definitely here for that. So let's see. Their packaging is always gorgeous, as you could see through the outer packaging. And this is what the cube looks like. All right, and let's see. This one is a cruelty-free product as well with a 12-month shelf life, and it is a 0.35 ounce size. Okay, definitely here for this. I'm pretty sure we're going to swatch this because this is the winter months. I can use this one in addition to any lip balm that I have. So we will test that out in just a little bit. The manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $25. Here for it. The next item that we have is also by Medusa Makeup. And this one is the Halo Glow Face Stick. It says this is a holographic highlighting stick. You can see a slight shift between white and a light pink shade. This creates a natural glow. Don't be intimidated. The shift is subtle. Pops of lavender make for a beautiful ethereal effect on the skin. This formula glides on easy and blends out easily. You can glide it directly onto your face or use a brush to pick the product up off of the stick. All right, Halo Glow. Well, let's do this. Let's go ahead. Well, before I take that off, it says this one is a cruelty-free product. It is vegan, and I don't see a shelf life right here, but let's just see. The only bad part about it is once you take the label off, you don't get any more information. You will definitely have to go online to pull it to make sure there's nothing in there that you may be allergic to. All right, so it does come with a safety cap. Let's just see what's going on. Oh, okay, I see that. Can you see the shifts? That's pretty nice. The manufacturer suggested retail price for the Halo Glow is $12. All right, we're almost finished. However, I don't think we've ever had a month where we didn't have a palette. So let's do what we do. And this one was a choice item. However, I did not participate in the choice. Only because I really didn't feel like I wanted to. I wanted to see what would come to me just in case. So the palette that I received is Just Desserts. And this one is a collab between Ice Cream Beauty and Ladybug Glow. And it says, this month we gave you a choice between two amazing palettes created by Ladybug Glow Cosmetics. All right, the Just Desserts palette contains more vibrant, colorful shades, which is this one. So I can tell you about the other one, but I can't show it to you. So, but nonetheless, it says Vampy Treats has much more neutral, grungy kind of shades. Both palettes contain multi-chromes, duochromes, and mattes. Make sure to stop by the Ladybug Glow site to pick up some amazing natural brushes. Okay, so this is the outer packaging, which is the exact same as the inside packaging. Now, this one is a cruelty-free product as well with a 12-month shelf life. Now, I need to open it so I can find out how many shades there are. Uh-oh. Come on now. I can fix this because it's not shattered or anything. It's just edging the pan. But this one has a full-size mirror attached to it as well. So we're going to go ahead and cover the mirror. And I want to show you what these shades look like. How about that? Gorgeous, gorgeous. Here for it. So, this one does have 12 shades, and these multi-chromes and duochromes are really popping. But I have to tell you, I am feeling these mattes. This is beautiful. I really like what I see. What do you think? All right, so of course, you know, we swatch at the end. We're at the end. So let's just swatch. Okay, so I've swatched everything. Now, I have to take back what I said, first of all, about this lippy. It is still gorgeous, but I did swatch it, and I do see why they said it was like a pinky mauve. I do see why. But nonetheless, wait until you see these. They are, look, I still have some of the pigment on my fingers. But these are our swatches, okay? So right here is the Medusa lipstick, all right? Now, we're going to go to the shadows. The first one is called Sparkle. This one is called Ganache. And this one is called Tasty. Now, after that, right here, this one is that highlighter that they were talking about with the shifts of pink. Hopefully that's coming across. And hopefully is not to completely be overshadowed by this gorgeous thing right here. Do you see the color change in that? That is gorgeous. That is absolutely gorgeous. You know what? I'm thinking about I'm not going to put a lot on, so I'm just going to take it off the back of my hand. All right. Watching. Look at that. Oh. What do you think? That right there, just a little pop. So can you imagine if we completed an entire look with that? What are your thoughts? Oh my God, that is so beautiful. Okay, all right. Keep it moving, keep it moving, keep it moving. So the only other thing is to really try this one. Oh, it's like a balm. Well, I can't really try it on my lips right now because I have this on. So what I'm going to do, I just put it on the back. It's very thick. It's nice. You can see the difference of how it came across on the back of my hand. So I'm feeling this. This is another box that I'm absolutely, my apologies, I didn't realize that the camera had shut off, but nonetheless, I just want to tell you, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed our first ice cream beauty box of 2025. Another amazing box. Well, these are the items that were included down below, the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that was included. Now, I just want to tell you, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. It's very easy on the pocket, you know that? Because it's free. But I'd also like to encourage you to let me know your thoughts about the Ice Cream Beauty Box. Is this something you want to become a part of? Everything in here was fantastic, okay, to say the least. But don't forget that there is a code down in the description box so that you can get money off on your first box. Now, make sure you share this video. Share it with someone who you believe would love to have this Ice Cream Beauty, to try it out for themselves, this Ice Cream Beauty Box, all right? Be on the lookout for the little sister. It's coming out soon. I haven't received it yet, but as soon as I do, I'll be more than happy to bring it to you. All right, now, most importantly, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.